In the previous module, you created a simple web page, which you accessed from your own computer. In this module, you'll make the website a little bit more complicated by including some JavaScript. And JavaScript is a programming language that allows you to make your web pages more interactive, and we'll use it to create a Facebook like button. You will also upload your web pages to a web hosting service so that you can access your web pages over the internet. Now, while it was possible to test your pages from your local computer for Deliverable 8, this is no longer going to be possible for Deliverable 9, at least not after we've added the Facebook like buttons. So, in other words, you can only test the site once you've uploaded it to the web server. The first step we're going to have to do is to upload the various web files to the web server. And in order to do that, we first have to upload it to the VM, as I've done here. So I have created a folder website within Documents that has all of my files in it. So the 3 files and 2 images. We're now going to go and use WinScript to upload the files to the web server. So open this, and what you'll see is this window come up. Now type in SSH ssh.myweb.usf.edu, and then the username is your normal USF username, and the password is your normal USF password. So now we log in, and you see it's going to connect to a host. And now what we get is on the right, we're looking at the web server. If you haven't created the folder public_HTML yet, that's the first step you need to do, and you can do that by new and then directory. I've already done this, so I don't need to do this, but I'm going to click on this to open it up. So you see I already have a folder in there, but we're going to leave it like this. Now on the left hand side, we're going to we're going to go to the folder that I created with all of the images in it. And now what I'm going to do is select all of those and move those across to the right hand side. So I've now uploaded all of these to the web server. And to test this, I'm going to open up Google Chrome. And then I'm going to go to Reichgeld, although in your case that would obviously be your user name, myweb.usf.edu. And you see my file now shows up in the browser, and I can start looking at the other pages as well. It is possible that you already created an index, for example, an index.html file for an earlier course. If that's the case, then what you need to do is create a new directory here, and I'm going to call it Hans Services. Open that up, and then just as we did before, move all of this across. Now, the difference now is that if you've done it like this, then you need to include the name of that folder that you created in the web name as well. So that would become Hans Services. And then again, you get to see the web pages. Only do this if you already have material inside public.html. If you don't, just upload it directly into public.html.